Welcome to Machinist Evolution. Today I'm going to show you how I made the infamous ball and cube. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
I was looking through Instagram and I came across Titan's page. He had made this ball and cube. I thought it looked challenging and I wanted to give my skill set a try and make one too. First, I started by making a drawing and a toolpath in Mastercam. Next, I loaded all my programs and touched off my tools. After that, I squared up my block. I used my Renishaw Touch-Off Pro for precision. Then I circle milled the leader hole for my pocket. After that, I did a rough pocket op for material removal. Right here, I did a 3D rough pocket op. Then I started my 3D finish op with a 1/4" ball end mill. I made this video to show you guys that if you work hard to build a solid skill set, you can make any part out there. Right here, I've done 5 ops. Now it's time for my last op. To see other parts I make, follow me at Machinist Evolution on Instagram. There's my finished part. Comment down below if you've made one.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.